908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Let me shout out my Alpha Generals, Generalettes, Alpha Male and Alpha Females in the building. You already know. You heard. You know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today. Is a nice, something shiny, big piece by Goose Shop. You heard? You know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, and without further ado, promote if you can. Now let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D. Like I said in the intro, I got a nice piece coming from Goose Shop. So without any further ado, let's get to it. And I know y'all get tired of me repeating myself, but I must remind y'all, I felt like anything from Goose Shop to help me and my channel and help yourself get some discounts. You feel me? Click the link in the description or in the comment section. You heard. Now let's get to it. Like we said, yeah, no gloves today. Don't feel like, putting on gloves today. It's too hot. You feel me? But anyway, let's look at the box. None we haven't seen before. Got a nice white box. Gold jewelry, real simple with 3 diamonds. Not a bad logo, you know what I'm saying? Although, let me ask y'all something real quick though. Well, I wonder why they don't put that monkey ape logo that they usually use on the sites and on the YouTube. You know what I mean? Maybe that might be a little more interesting. But nevertheless, y'all probably don't care about that. The box is white. Simple lift up box. Says they've been in business since 2010. So that's been quite some time by now. You know what I mean? They've been in business for a while. So y'all see the box. Let's see what's in the box. Bam. Now, we don't got to keep talking about it. But before I get into the piece, here it goes. It's got a nice, you know what I'm saying, cluster going on here. You know what I mean? And y'all already know how I feel about this plastic. Plastic will always be the ops in my eyes. But this is the logo I'm talking about. This right here. I wonder why they don't put that on the box. It's a pretty cool logo with a crown. You know what I mean? They should put that on the box. But that's just my personal opinion. What comes in the box is an authenticity card. You know what I mean? Warranty and lifetime guarantee. You know what I mean? I guess with this card, you can get your chain fixed, replaced, and or replaced. You know what I mean? That's not bad. Not a bad touch. Thank you, Goof, for that. You know what I mean? A nice cleaning cloth, you know what I'm saying? To clean off your jewelry if you should see fit. And I got some different kind of content coming on later in the week. Hopefully y'all like it. And, more different kind of videos coming your way concerning cleaning jewelry and more educational about jewelry. But anyway, this is about the Goose Shop. So like I said, cleaning cloth. A nice, you know what I mean, what appears to be a Franco chain that came added or included in the price. You know what I mean? Can't be mad. Sometimes I'll be feeling like when they give you extra pieces, you know what I mean, it probably don't be the best selection, but you can't be mad at it, man. When they give you something free and or included in the price, hey, it's always a good look. Makes you feel like you're getting more bang for your buck. I won't review this or open this now, but as you can see, it looks like a white gold and or silver Franco chain. You know what I mean? Can't be mad at it. Thank you, Goose Shop. You see this nice little hard plastic they got? Pretty dope. Let's put that to the side. And what else comes in the box is also, you know what I mean, this dust pouch. As you can see, a nice dust pouch. Can't complain about that. I guess you pull the strings on the side when you got your piece. Although, another thing I got here is I wonder if this chain would even fit in here. But nevertheless, it's good that it comes with some kind of extra, you know what I mean, appliance to help you secure your stuff. Good looking, Goose Shop. We appreciate it. Now let's put that to the side 2 seconds. And let's get back to the task or the piece at hand. And as you can see, there's plastic everywhere. You know what I mean? Not only is it wrapped in that bubble wrap, it's also wrapped in a snakeskin plastic. Being that you can see the piece very clear, you know what I mean? I guess I don't have to take the plastic off on camera, because this thing is hitting. And one thing I must say about Goose Shop, man, is that I don't know what they be putting on their cameras or on their pieces, but this thing is hitting like crazy. You know what I mean? I can't even knock it, man. This thing is hitting like bonkers. You know what I mean? This thing is crazy, boy. Like, this thing is hitting. Like, I don't even think the light and the camera's doing it any justice the way this is glistening, man. Goose Shop, whatever y'all doing, whatever kind of stones y'all using, they say AAA and quadruple A CZ stones. Well, they got to be right about something, because these stones is hitting like a beast. You know what I mean? They bugged out. You know what I mean? I guess I'm going to have to rip this open a little bit. So let's get this part open. Obviously, open these pieces before doing a review. So without further ado, I'm not going to bother with the plastic right now, man. But I'm going to let y'all look at it real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all a look. If y'all stay to the end of the video, you will get a shine test, a diamond test, and with it on me. You feel me? This is 20 inches. You know what I mean? And material base metal, it says copper. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. But regardless of such, I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. I'll let y'all know right now, this shiny 20-inch cluster chain right here is crazy, boy. This thing is only a whopping 129 bucks. Yeah, I said it. 129 bucks. You feel me? So you can't beat that, man. You cannot beat that. You feel me? And when you go on that site right now, they're running a bunch of sales. Buy one, get ones. Buy one, get one half off. You know what I'm saying? And they're giving you a bunch of type of 10 and 20% off. You know what I mean? If you use my cluster, you will be definitely be able to use it. You feel me? So go check them out, man. Goose Shop. Now, I can't get it out the plastic now, and I won't waste my time. But y'all already know how this goes for those who watch a lot of my videos or all my videos. You lift this up right here, and you clamp it. So I guess when I fully open this up before doing an on file profile with it on me, I'll show y'all. You open up this clamp, you put this in the clasp, you close it, and we'll see if it comes off your neck. You feel me? You know what I mean? This is white gold plated. Let's look at the back real quick. Got a nice caged in back with the holes so the shine and the light could shine through the stones. Man, these stones are shining like crazy, boy. Y'all tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. 20 inches, 129 bucks. Stay to the end, you get a shine test, diamond test, and all that, man. Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. What I got here for y'all in this clip is the shine test. This thing shines pretty good for it to be like little to no light. And it shines pretty good. Y'all tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. The next clip, what I got for y'all is the diamond test. The CZs, we don't expect them to pass, so this is for entertainment purposes only. And at the end, I got a clip of a welcoming card that gives you a discount code, VIP code, when you cop from them. 1, 2, 3, I'm out.